Here we are on a Mad Max type road in the Netherlands. This road leads to the beach and it's a very nice road to ride. We're in luck with the weather too. It's about 10 degrees Celsius. Little fun fact there. Did you know that the people in Holland get out their swimwear as soon as the thermometer hits 15 degrees Celsius? Alright, that might not be true. Forget that. Today we're going to test out the GT-Air I, which is not a new helmet, and we're also going to test out the new GT-Air II by Shoei. Now these are both full-face helmets aimed at touring riders with a sporty character, but why would you get the new GT-Air and not just stick with the old one? We're going to find out in this video because we're going to compare them and do a road test. Let's go and check them out. Alright, so I've already had a ride with both helmets before switching on the camera to get an idea for what the main differences are. And looking at the specifications when I saw the new GT-Air II, I thought, okay, so what's new? One of the few things that have changed according to the specifications is the sun visor, which is true. On the GT-Air I, it is a little bit higher than on the GT-Air II. I can imagine why they did that. It is a little bit annoying. You've got a little bit of an edge. It's like they say in the Simon and Garfunkel song, narrow streets of cobblestone. That's what this is. Sorry for the shuddery, jittery camera. I can imagine that some of you might be wondering what's actually changed with the new GT-Air II, because the specifications of the 1 and the 2 say pretty much the same things. So both helmets are made from an AIM material, which is a multi-composite fibre outer shell, and it comes in 3 shell sizes. This being the smallest shell size, weighing around 1460 grams. So that hasn't changed. The ventilation on the chin in the same place is pretty easy to use. The one on top too. However, I must say, it's not a big difference, but it feels like the opening on top might be smaller than on the GT-Air II. Because I can feel a cold spot on my head now that it's open. But less air is coming through than with the GT-Air II. Definitely. Yeah, I can say for definite now that the GT-Air I, the original Shoei, lets in a little bit more air at the bottom around the neck. So why get the new GT-Air II? Well, it doesn't say it anywhere in the specifications, but the inner lining has been improved, and they have altered the fit of the helmet too, a little bit, just a little bit. Then again, Shoei always kind of adjust it a little bit. It seems that when they make a new helmet, they don't start from scratch. They really do build upon the last model, and in this case, obviously, it's not got a completely new name. It's just called the GT-Air II, so it's the updated version, just like with the Neotech. However, the Neotech 1 and 2 did have some major differences, and those differences are much smaller between the GT-Air I and the GT-Air II. Now the sun visor is in the same place on both helmets, so it's on the left side, easy to operate. However, on the GT-Air I, the sun visor comes down a little bit less than on the GT-Air II. They've actually got a new type of sun visor on the new helmet, which is a bit longer. And to be honest, I prefer that quite a lot, really. The visor is still the same on the GT-Air II as on the GT-Air I. That's not changed at all, which is a shame, because I would have liked to seen the rounded visor that they now use on the Neotech 2, which is really sweet. Both helmets are really stable and feel pleasant at high speed. I must say, I do think that the GT-Air II bobs around a little bit less, but I am saying a little bit because these are very fine margins. And I think the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, is very applicable in this case. However, I also think the old saying, quit living in the past, is also very applicable. So these two sayings kind of sum up the new GT-Air II compared to the GT-Air I, because they haven't changed that much. It's very similar. Mainly the design has been altered, and it does look more aggressive and more sporty, which is pretty cool. The new Shoei GT-Air II is prepared for the SRL2 system by Sena, which is pretty much identical to the SRL1 system by Sena, which fits in the Neotech 2. but the only difference is that the shape and size of the systems is a little bit different, so that's why they made a new one. Of course, this communication system integrates perfectly into the helmet, so you won't have any wires hanging around, you won't have any big modules on the side of the helmet, which is also pleasant. Now, the GT-Air is the original touring helmet made by Shoei, and the GT-Air II is the updated version, which is a more aggressive design, and of course has the new sun visor, which we just talked about. Apart from that, many things have stayed the same. Both helmets are very comfortable to wear and very stable, even at high speeds such as 130 kilometers an hour, which I must know is the maximum speed in the Netherlands, so don't go over it. The spoilers that they've added to this helmet definitely work, because if I compare it to the one I was riding with just now, it directs my head less. So the GT-Air I was prone to moving me around a little bit more. But as with everything on this helmet, it's not a big difference. So it's not like you're going to put on the helmet and go, oh wow, it's a world of difference. One thing that I can definitely feel after riding with both helmets is that the ratchet is more comfortable on the GT-Air II. Obviously the change isn't that big, but they have moved the chin strap forward a little bit, meaning that now it's not digging into my neck so much. Even though I think that the GT-Air I fits me more snugly than the GT-Air II, it also seems to have more of a clipping sound on both sides at the ears, so it feels like it's letting in a little bit more wind, or it's reflecting more, or something like that. Another reason to buy the GT-Air I instead of the GT-Air II could be that most models will be discontinued and thus will be discounted. But to be honest, you probably have a good time with any Shoei that you buy, because they're always comfortable and they always deliver. Although the GT-Air II is definitely an improvement over the GT-Air I cannot say that it is the best thing since sliced bread. Then again, we all know the best thing since sliced bread is probably buttered bread, or something like that. Enough about bread. Check out our website fortomoto.com for the GT-Air I and the GT-Air II, and of course for our excellent service and worldwide shipping. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, a like and a subscribe, and then we do hope to see you again next time.